Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today I'm going to be answering a tag that was given to me by Daddy's Life. If you guys don't know who Daddy's Life is, go ahead and check out his YouTube channel. He's a really great guy. I'll leave a link to his channel in my description below. He gave me a tag about 3 weeks ago. He didn't give it to me in the video he did. He just tagged me down in the comments. He said go ahead and just jump right in, so I thought I would jump in, and it would be a fun little project for me to do. His tag was a homemade fishing lure challenge. You have to make a homemade fishing lure and catch a fish with it. Now, winter is kind of getting close over here, and the fish are getting really finicky with the fishing lures. So I decided to break the rules just a little bit and go with a fishing tool. You can't use a fishing lure without a fishing rod. So I decided to make a pop can fishing pole. While back, I did make a pop can fishing pole. I'm going to delete this video about a week after I post this one. This one will replace that video. So I hope you guys enjoy this. And Daddy's Life, if you don't think this is within your rules and regulations for your challenge or tag, I will be more than happy to redo this in the springtime. So just let me know down in the comments. Thanks, and I hope everyone enjoys this. So how I made this is I just took a piece of duct tape and tied a knot. Well, okay, first I wrapped the line around the can, secured it with duct tape, and just wrapped a little bit of fishing line around it. Now, I felt like this would be a good example of a survival fishing tool, just because of the fact that you can find cans practically anywhere. I mean, people litter. Also, fishing line is also a very common thing to find in a survival situation because people get snagged all the time in creeks and streams. That and lakes. Same with hooks and weights because those are attached to the line. Tape, on the other hand, would be hard to find in a survival situation, so that's why tape would be also a good thing to keep in your survival kit. Duct tape has just a many assortment of uses, so let's go ahead and throw a worm on here and we will try it out. We'll see if we can't get ourselves some little creek chub out of the creek. Alright guys, so I have a little piece of night crawler tied on to the end here. Now I also thought using bait would also be a good example of a survival situation fishing rod, because you can find bait practically anywhere. So now to cast this, all you gotta do is just hold the weight, point the hand straight out. All you gotta do, and then you just slowly move it toward getting a bite. Oh, I almost had it. You're getting a bunch of bites. There's one. Oh, he came off. Alright, is he ready for this? There's one. Got him. Oh, he hit him off too. That was a nice size one. Already. That was a pretty good cast. Got him. Got him. I got him. Yeah! Yeah, I got him! Wow. On the pop can fishing pole, guys. It's a little creek chub there for you guys. Getting pretty good at casting this thing. Oh, there's another one. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Dude.
Dang!
Right? This one's big.
Awesome soda!
Heck yeah, guys. Look at this little creek chub there. That's a nice one. Heck yeah. Already got one on. Oh, he came off. There's one. There you go. Another nice little creek chub right there. Yeah, I got another one. There's one. Look at that hook set. Got one! Super tiny, but I got one. This one's very tiny, guys. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little pop can fishing pole I made. Daddy's Life, thanks again for tagging me in this little fishing lure, fishing pole challenge. Once again, if you don't feel like this was within your guidelines that you were given out, I would be more than happy to redo this again in the springtime. Once again, as I said in the beginning, the fish are getting really finicky with the lures that are being thrown at them, and the bite's getting a lot slower because the water temperature is cooling down. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys, especially Daddy's Life. Go ahead and let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. That and check out Daddy's Life, guys. I'll leave a link in the description down below for his YouTube channel. As I said also in the beginning, he's a really great guy. And if you guys are into this type of thing, go ahead and hit my subscribe button. I'd love to have you guys a part of my community. I do a lot of hiking, fishing, camping, backpacking, a lot of stuff like that. So I'd love to have you guys a part of my community. And as always, keep living, keep fishing. I'll see you guys in my next video.